Fixing corrupted data is actually quite easy, and in this video I'll show you how to do it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we need to check if our controller is connected. We see the blue light, we know that's connected. Now what we want to do is go to the particular game or application that's causing the error. So we go to game library. Right here we want to press option. In option we're going to go to delete, and we can delete the particular application or game and reinstall it. If that doesn't work, if the data is still corrupted, what we can do is we can go back to settings, and in settings what we want to do is we want to go to storage. Then we need to find the game in game and apps, and then go and delete the particular game or application that is causing us problems. The next thing we can do is we can go turn off the console and boot in safe mode. Once the console is off, we want to press and hold the power button till we're in safe mode. Then we want to connect the console to the controller using the cable, and we want to press the PS button so we can be able to navigate safe mode. In safe mode, we want to clear cache and rebuild database. So we go to rebuild database, and then we rebuild our database here. The console is going to restart after this, and the error should be fixed. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like.